Hello guys, I'm glad to see you here, and in this video we will solve together basic pen testing room in TryHackMe. In some section I will share brief about the subject, and don't forget you must always research to learn more, and I hope it will helpful for you, and let's start together. Okay. In first section we need to start up the machine, and it's gonna take 1 minute. Okay, what he say? In this setup task, we will learn about broad forcing and hashing cracking and hash cracking, service enumeration, and Linux enumeration. Deploy the machine and connect to network, of course, and find the service exposed by the machine. What is the name of the hidden directory on the web server? Okay, let's bring up the terminal, and we need to write sudo nmap dash a enable operation system detection and version detection script scanning, and track root dash t4 for the set timing template, and hide is fast. Also we need to write dash p. You can specify dash p to scan port from 1 to 65,535 also, but in this case I'm trying to scan all port, and we got our IP address. Let's go to scan. Also firstly we need to run a map scan to find which port is open and which service are running on this port. Nmap scan is a free and open source utility for the network discovery and security editing, and you can see here we got an error. Let me ping the IP address. S4. Yes, we have access to that IP address. Okay, what is the wrong? Say dash pn. Okay, what is the next question? Say what is the name of the hidden directory on the web server? Inter name. Sure. Also, you can run the TCP nmap scan against the 1000 must command ports and using the following flags. Also, for the detect for the default script, you can use dash sc, and for the detect version, you can use dash sv for the enumerate application version. Let me fast scan. So you can write nmap-sc and -sv and port. You can see here port SSH and port 22 for the service SSH, port 80 129 for 458 009, and 8080 is open. And what is the hidden directory on the web server? We can write sudo nmap dash pat and dash script dash script http enumeration http enum. This is the script and port our IP address. Just copy, paste here. It will show as the hidden directory on the web server. Okay, here we go. We can find it. HTTP enumeration. This is the hidden directory development. What he says, a potentially interesting directory, and listen on the Apache. This is the version Apache 2.4.18 for the Ubuntu. Let's copy this. First, let's start to access IP address, and say something wrong. Paste here. Sorry, that's my bad. It's back. Copy. Hit enter. You can see here we have a two text file, one for dev.txt and one j.txt. Let's click on it. What say? It say I have been missing with you can see content of this text file, and let me see we can find any useful information. And you can see -k and -g for the two users. This back here, and I have been editing content of the etc shadow, which is for the password, to make sure don't have any weak credential, and I was able to crack your hash really easily. You know our password policies, so please follow it and change that password to ASAP. Is user 4G telling to user -k. Okay, now we know we have a two user -j and -k. Okay, next step. Let's back here. What is the hidden directory? Is it development? Okay, user brought forcing to find username and password. What is the username and what is the password? Okay, now we know uh, port 129 is open, which is for the SMB, and let's try to access SMB client. This is our IP address. We try -L. It's asking for the password, anonymous access.